What if I told you your iPhone is secretly draining your battery while you're doing nothing? Like literally. While you're sleeping, chilling, or even just scrolling TikTok, it's losing juice. And the worst part? Apple doesn't talk about this. Today, I'm exposing 5 hidden settings buried deep inside your iPhone that could save hours of battery life without changing how you use your phone. So if your phone dies before 5 p.m., or you constantly carry a charger, this video will change everything. Ready to unlock your iPhone's hidden powers? Let's do this. Chapter 1. The setting that wakes your iPhone up 90 times a day. First one's a shock. Your iPhone wakes itself up just to check for notifications. Even when the screen is off, it's secretly talking to servers, downloading banners, syncing iCloud, and doing who knows what in the background. Want to stop the madness? Go to Settings, Notifications, Show Previews. Set to when unlocked. Why it works. It stops your screen from turning on every time a random app wants attention. Now think about it. How many times a day do you really need your screen lighting up for spam from some shopping app? Exactly, saving battery and mental peace. Chapter 2. Background App Refresh, the hidden battery vampire. This setting is evil. Background App Refresh sounds helpful, right? But it's actually letting dozens of apps run behind your back, even when you're not using them. Imagine going out to eat and leaving your house door open, just in case your friends want to grab snacks. That's your iPhone right now. Fix it. Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Turn it off for most apps. Leave it on only for essentials like maps or weather. You'll instantly notice better battery and better speed.